welcome back to my channel. Now that we are entering the cooler months, I thought I would share a simple DIY peppermint lip scrub recipe with you all. One thing I am not a fan of during this time of the year is having dry lips or skin. This lip scrub will leave your lips feeling so soft and smooth, and with the holidays right around the corner, this lip scrub is perfect to use as a stocking stuffer or even a Secret Santa gift. For this recipe, you will need sugar, olive oil, peppermint flavoring, which I found the one that I'm using today at a Michael's craft store, and you will also need red food coloring, and that's it. Alrighty, so we're going to want to take 5 tablespoons of sugar and divide them into 2 small bowls like I did here. And we are doing that because only one of these bowls we are going to be using red food coloring. The other one we are just going to leave it the way it is with the white sugar. And once we blend these two together, it'll give it a really cool candy cane effect. Now we are going to be taking 1 1/4 teaspoon of olive oil and adding it to each bowl of sugar. Now taking the peppermint flavoring, I will be adding 3 drops to each bowl. Red food coloring, we will only be adding this to 1 of the bowls of sugar. I'm going to start off using at least 5 drops of this food coloring. And now taking my little stir stick, I'm going to be stirring the white sugar first. This will be creating a wet sand-like texture. And now mixing the other bowl of sugar with the red food coloring. We really want to make sure that this sugar is red. That way when we blend the two together, it doesn't turn into pink with the white added sugar. Here's what the red sugar looks like. Now that that is all mixed together, we are going to add both of the bowls into 1 small container. I'm going to start with the red sugar first. Reserve a little bit of this red sugar to add as a finishing touch. Now we will be adding the white sugar. And finally with the red sugar. And 1 last scoop for the white sugar. I'm just going to take my hand and kind of blend that together to give a really nice candy cane effect. And here you have it, your own lip scrub. How simple was that? I love easy DIY projects like this one. You can literally use any color or any flavoring. It does not have to be holiday themed. Enjoyed this DIY peppermint lip scrub recipe. Let me know down in the comments below if you do decide to try this out. I would love to hear from you guys. I hope you all have a magical day, and I will see you next time. Bye!